everyone, welcome back to mahasarkar.co.in. In today's video, we are going to learn the most important article from the lesson, that is modes of vibration of stretch string. If you have seen any musical instrument like guitar, heroes are playing in the movie. So when they pluck the string of the guitar, it vibrates. It vibrates with different mode, but the string is stretched between two supports. So at the ends of that string, compulsory antinodes will be there. So somewhere there can be nodes. Sorry, ulta bola. At the ends there will be compulsory nodes, and somewhere there will be what? Antinodes. Okay. So such consider one string. So let L be the length of the string, which is tightly clamped between two supports, say P and Q. Two supports, say P and Q. Here also, and here also. Okay. Now let M be the mass of the string. Capital M be the mass of string. String is very uniform. No damage, no any problem is there in the form of string. It's looked very smooth and uniform throughout the length. So say small m be the linear density of the string. Linear density means what? Ratio of mass per unit length. And say T be the tension acting on the string. T be the what? Tension acting on the string. When string is tightly clamped between two ends, definitely some tension is there. It will start set up in the vibration. Okay. Now, when we consider to pluck that string, it will form which wave? See, string is clamped between these two, and if I vibrate it up and down, so wave will go perpendicular to the vibration. So let V be the velocity. V be the velocity of transverse wave which is produced there. Transverse wave which is going to produce there. And if you remember, the formula for that velocity which we have used in the standard 11 was what? Root of T upon M. T is the tension and M is the linear density, not mass of the string. Okay. Now we are going to vibrate the string with lowest possible frequency, then little frequency more than that, then again more than that. So we are going to learn some modes. So see first mode of vibration. First mode of vibration. Okay. Now consider in this first mode, string is vibrated such that first mode, string vibrated or plucked such that only one loop is formed. Only what? One loop is what? Formed. Only one loop is formed. So that the total length of the string is divided into two nodes. So total length of string is divided between what? Two nodes and one antinode at the middle. So if I say lambda is the wavelength, if I say lambda is the wavelength of this mode of vibration, lambda is what? Wavelength of the mode of vibration, n is the corresponding frequency of this mode, then as the distance between two nodes is always lambda by 2, so here I can say here length can be equal to lambda by 2, implies lambda is equals to 2L. Lambda is equals to what? 2L. Okay. So according to the formula, if I use that formula, we know that the formula we have V equal to n lambda. Therefore, what is n equal to? We will get V upon lambda. Put value of 1 and this lambda from this. So what we will get? N equal to root of T upon M divided by 2L. If I just simplify this like 1 upon 2L into root of what? T upon N. So this is the lowest possible frequency that we can produce in the stretch string. So this frequency is called fundamental frequency. This frequency is called as what? fundamental frequency, or it is also called as what? First harmonic. It is also called as what? First harmonic. I hope you understood. When string is plucked at the middle, only one loop is going to form. Nodes will be formed at the open end and antinode will be formed at the middle. Okay. Similarly, if you discuss the next mode of vibration, that is say second mode of vibration. Now in a second mode, string is plucked at 2/3 such that two loops are formed. When two loops will be formed, see node, antinode, node, antinode and node. So in the second mode, what is happened there? Three nodes and two antinodes are formed there. Okay. So if lambda 1 is the wavelength of that wave, N1 is the frequency of this mode of vibration. If lambda 1 is the wavelength, N1 is the frequency of this mode, then what we'll get? Here, length of string is say divided into what? Total 3 nodes. So distance between these two nodes will be what? Lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2. Lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2 will be lambda. So here I will say it is say lambda 1. So length of string say L is equals to what? Lambda 1. Then again formula using this one I can say here also N1 equal to V upon lambda 1. V is what? Root of T upon M divided by lambda 1 is what? L. So it will be like 1 upon L into root of T upon M. 1 upon L into root of T upon M. I am just adjusting the term so that it is like 2 into 1 upon 2L into root of T upon M multiplied and divided by 2. So this value is nothing but what? N. So here I will get 2 times N. So N1 is equals to what? 2N. This is called as what? Second harmonic. Why it is harmonic? Just recall the previous video. फंडामेंटल फ्रिक्वेन्सीचा डबल आहे, इंटिग्रल मल्टिपल आहे म्हणून हार्मोनिक, पण फंडामेंटल फ्रिक्वेन्सी पेक्षा मोठी आहे येणारी पुढची फ्रिक्वेन्सी, हेन्स इट इज व्हॉट? फर्स्ट ओव्हरटोन. And finally we are going to discuss the third mode of vibration. काय मिळणार आहे? तर तुम्ही व्हायब्रेट असं करणार की 3 लूप तयार होणार. सो 1, 2 आणि 3 असे 3 लूप जर तयार झाले तर या तिन्ही लूप्स मध्ये बघा, लक्षात द्या, नोड्स इथलं डिस्टन्स लॅम्बडा बाय 2, सॉरी इथलं डिस्टन्स लॅम्बडा बाय 2 आणि इथलं डिस्टन्स लॅम्बडा बाय 2. तो टोटल डिस्टन्स किती होणार आहे? 3 टाइम्स लॅम्बडा बाय 2. सो it will be 3 lambda by 2 by 2 असं लिहिलं मी. Okay, so 3 lambda 2 by 2. So in third mode L equal to काय असणार आहे? 3 lambda 2 by 2. Therefore lambda 2 equal to काय मिळणार आहे? 2L upon 3. So सेम टाइपचा फॉर्म्युला जर मी इथे लिहिला असता तर करस्पॉन्डिंग फ्रिक्वेन्सी म्हणूया N2 आहे. So V upon lambda 2 root of T upon M divided by 2L upon 3. 3 न्यूमरेटरला शिफ्ट होणार. 3 into 1 upon 2L into root of T upon M. इथं बघा 3N मिळालं, म्हणजे हा कुठला हार्मोनिक मिळाला? थर्ड हार्मोनिक. आणि कुठला ओव्हरटोन मिळाला? सेकंड ओव्हरटोन. बघा जनरल कंडिशन मध्ये देअरफॉर इथं मी म्हणणार pth ओव्हरटोन कॅन बी गेट ॲज NP इक्वल टू, बघा एकाने वाढतोय ना फक्त, P plus 1 हार्मोनिक. ओके, ही कंडिशन तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवायची इथं. सी इट्स व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट आर्टिकल. या फंडामेंटल फ्रिक्वेन्सीचे बरेचसे लॉ पण आहेत, प्रॅक्टिकलला तुम्ही एक्सपेरिमेंट केले असतील, व्हायब्रेटिंग स्ट्रिंगचे लॉ सोनोमीटर मध्ये तुम्ही परफॉर्म केले असतील, व्हेरीफाय केले असतील. दीज आर ऑल थिंग्स दॅट वी आर हॅव्हिंग इन दिस आर्टिकल. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग mahasarkar.co.in. हॅव अ नाईस डे.